Welcome to the Marty Sats YouTube channel. If you've got an insurance agency, then keep your eyes peeled on this video because today I'm going to be showing you how to use our platform to build a website for your business. Now, if you've just randomly stumbled across this video today, you haven't heard of the Marty Sites platform as yet. Marty Sites is the easiest way to create a simple website for your small business. You can literally launch your own website in less than 1 minute. It's super affordable. It's only going to cost you $9 a month, and there is a free trial available for 7 days. So make sure you click on the link below this video, sign up for the free trial, and give it a go. See how it works for you and your small business. Once you join the platform, the first thing it's going to ask you at the top is to search for your markets. We have hundreds of different markets to choose from for different small businesses, solopreneurs, and people with different side hustles. And we are adding more markets every single week. So I'm going to go ahead and hit the top and going to search for my market, insurance agency. There it is over there. If you have a more specific agency like auto insurance, you can select that template. But for this one, I'm just going to use the general insurance agency. Awesome. Let's tell Marty Sites a few basic details about our insurance agency so it can generate a simple website for us. I'm going to go ahead and put in my company name, my city, and my state or region. Awesome. Let's go ahead and put in our city and our state or region. Awesome. Let's go ahead and change the type of business from restaurant to service and click on continue. And look at that. Marty Sites has literally generated a simple website for my insurance agency in not even a minute. Let's take a closer look together. Now, the beauty of Marty Sites is we've pre-written all the content for you as a guideline, of course, and we've pre-selected all the images as well. They're all really high quality and they're completely free to use. However, perhaps you've got your own images of your team that you want to display on your website and you want to make one or two changes to the content that was pre-written for you. You can absolutely do that. So today, that's exactly what I'm going to be showing you. I'm going to be making my way through my Marty Sites website, through each section from the top to the bottom, giving you a little bit of a look and feel of how the service works and how easy it is to use. You don't need to know coding, you don't need to be a web developer, and you certainly don't need to hire a web professional either. So let's get cracking. I'm going to click on the first section at the top and go ahead and put in my company email address. I'm going to go ahead and click on show email on site and go ahead and put in my phone number as well as my street address or physical location. Awesome. The great thing about that location is when your customers click on it, it will automatically take them to Google Maps to get directions to your physical location. Let's go ahead and head over to update social links. Over here, you can put in the various social media platforms that your business is active on. The icons will be displayed at the top of your website as well as the bottom. So your customers can easily give you a follow, get some engagement going, and see what your business is up to. Let's move along and head over to update logo. I'm going to go ahead and browse my device and upload it. If you don't have a budget, it's a huge budget for a logo, I do recommend you check out canva.com. Logo has been uploaded. I'm going to go ahead and click on the pencil. Over here, you can crop your image if need be, just to fit into the section a little bit better. You can add filters, decorate it, add frames, rotate, zoom, flip it, etc. Awesome. Let's re-upload that and go ahead and click on save. Once our logo has been uploaded, we can make it bigger and smaller, but I think that sizing is perfect. So I'm going to move along and leave it exactly the way it is. Now with Marty Sites as well, we pre-selected all the colors used throughout your Marty Sites website for you. Basically, we wanted to make it as easy and quick as possible when it comes to launching a simple website for your insurance agency, but perhaps the colors pre-selected don't quite go with your branding, your business cards, your signage, and you want to change it. You don't need to know color coding. All you need to just click on the little paint bucket on the bottom right hand corner and go through the various color palettes available for you to use. So I'm going to go ahead and try this one. That one looks actually really fantastic. So does that one. Let me have a look at one or two more. Blue looks great too, so I'm going to go ahead and save that one. Over here, let's head on over to update image. Go ahead and browse your device and upload one of your own if you've got. Otherwise, search through the photo library. Hundreds of images to choose from. Multi-source will automatically search for insurance agency, but you can play around with the terms a little bit. So I'm just going to search for insurance and see what pops up. So here are some really suitable images as well. As I said, you can play around with the terms a little bit. I'm going to go ahead and I think I'm going to select this one. I can change it at a later stage. Awesome. That looks fantastic. Let's head on over to update content. Over here, you can change the title, subtitle to suit your business needs. Button currently says schedule free consultation. You can change it if need be. You can link to another website. Maybe you offer an online booking system that you can put the URL over here. Otherwise, we can link to an action like click to call directions or click to email. So I'm going to put it as click to email. Otherwise, you can upload a PDF file. Maybe you have a brochure or catalog of your different services, insurance options you offer, different rates and packages. Go ahead and do that there. Over here again, pre-written content button can link to various places. Click on update section and work your magic. We've now made our way into the About Us section. Over here, you can put a little bit more details of how your business came to be, how long you've been in the insurance industry, maybe a little bit more about the team, your staff members, and you could always put a team photo over here. We've now made our way into the services section. Over here, you can put a little bit more detail of the different services you offer, the different products. Do you offer homeowners insurance, auto insurance, renters insurance, life insurance, collision coverage? Go ahead and put all those details under the services section so your customers know what they can come to your company for. We've now made our way into the lead form. Over here, your customers can easily get in touch with you with queries. All they need to do is put in their details, message, click on send, and you will get notified via email that you have a lead via this form. You'll also find all your leads over in the site dashboard, which I'm going to take you to in just a second. Now, if you have a custom domain, go ahead and click on connect your domain. So I already have a domain and go through the various steps in linking it. If you're struggling, you can add multi-sites as a user and we will link your domain for you. If you don't have a domain yet, click on I want a new domain and you can now purchase your domain via the multi-sites platform. I'm now in your multi dashboard. Over here is where you can find the leads via that form I've just shown you. I really hope this tutorial was helpful in building a website for your insurance agency. Really wishing you and your business mighty success. And if you have any suggestions or any features you'd like to see in future, do comment below and let us know. We'd really love to hear your feedback. Don't forget the service is going to cost you $9 a month and there is a free trial available for 7 days. The great thing about the multi-sites free trial is you don't have to put your credit card details in like most other online services. So do give it a go. See how well it works for you and your insurance agency.